Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating NFTs and minting your own tokens. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have revolutionized the digital art and collectibles space. In this tutorial, you'll learn the complete process of creating, minting, and selling your own NFTs step by step. Whether you're an artist, creator, or entrepreneur, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started in the NFT marketplace. Let's start by understanding what NFT minting actually means. Minting is the process of publishing a digital asset as a unique token on the blockchain, making it tradable and verifiable. Think of it as creating a digital certificate of authenticity for your work. When you mint an NFT, you're essentially converting your digital file into a crypto asset that lives on the blockchain permanently. This process records your ownership and makes your creation available for others to purchase or trade. Before you start minting NFTs, there are 4 essential things you'll need. First, a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet to store your digital assets and interact with blockchain networks. Second, cryptocurrency such as Ethereum, Matic, or other blockchain tokens to pay for transaction fees. Third, your digital asset, which could be artwork, music, video, or any digital file you want to turn into an NFT. And fourth, access to an NFT platform or marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible, where you'll actually mint and sell your NFT. The first step is setting up your crypto wallet. Start by downloading MetaMask or your preferred wallet extension for your web browser. Once installed, create a new wallet and you'll be given a seed phrase, which is a series of 12 to 24 words. This seed phrase is extremely important. Write it down and store it securely, as it's the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. After securing your seed phrase, fund your wallet with the appropriate cryptocurrency to cover gas fees, which are the transaction costs on the blockchain. Next, you need to choose which blockchain to mint your NFT on. Ethereum is the most popular choice and has the largest NFT ecosystem, but it comes with higher transaction fees. Polygon offers a low-cost alternative with minimal fees while still being compatible with Ethereum. Solana is known for its fast transaction speeds and very low fees, making it attractive for high-volume creators. Consider your budget and target audience when choosing your blockchain, as each has its own marketplace and community. Now it's time to prepare your digital asset. Most NFT marketplaces support common file formats including JPG, PNG, GIF, and SVG for images, MP4 and WebM for videos, MP3 and WAV for audio files, and GLB and GLTF for three-dimensional models. When preparing your file, follow these best practices. Use high-resolution files to ensure quality, but keep your file size under 100 megabytes for faster uploads and better user experience. Most importantly, ensure you have original ownership of the content you're minting, as creating NFTs of copyrighted material without permission can lead to legal issues. Choosing the right NFT marketplace is crucial for your success. OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace with an easy minting process and no upfront costs, making it ideal for beginners. Rarible is a community-owned platform that offers RARI tokens to active users and provides robust creator royalty options. Foundation is a curated platform specifically designed for digital artists, though it operates on an invite-only basis. Magic Eden is the leading marketplace for Solana NFTs, offering low fees and a growing user base. Each platform has its own strengths, so choose based on your needs and the blockchain you selected. Once you've selected your marketplace, it's time to create and upload your NFT. Start by connecting your wallet to the marketplace, usually by clicking a Connect Wallet button and approving the connection. Then click the Create button and upload your digital file. You'll need to add important metadata including a title, description, and properties or attributes that describe your NFT. Finally, set your royalty percentage, which is the commission you'll receive from future secondary sales. Most platforms allow royalties between 5 and 10%, providing you with ongoing income as your NFT changes hands. Now comes the actual minting process. Click the Mint or Create Item button to write your NFT data to the blockchain. This process involves gas fees, which are transaction costs paid to blockchain validators for processing your minting request. Gas fees can vary significantly depending on network congestion and your chosen blockchain. Many platforms now offer lazy minting, which allows you to defer these costs until your NFT makes its first sale. With lazy minting, the buyer pays the gas fees, making it risk-free for creators to list their work. The final step is listing your NFT for sale. You have 3 main selling options. Fixed price allows you to set a specific sale price that buyers can purchase immediately. Auction lets buyers bid competitively, with the highest bidder winning at the end of the auction period. Dutch auction starts at a high price that automatically decreases over time until someone purchases it or it reaches your minimum price. After choosing your selling method, set your listing duration and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once approved, your NFT is live and ready for collectors to discover and purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully created and listed your first NFT.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.